What are we most afraid of driving? Puncture. Today I'm telling you all 5 safety-related secrets on car tires. It's all true. Watch carefully to keep your life safe. First, when we change tires, be sure to check the date of manufacture of the tires. The 4 numbers on the tire are the production date. 2021 means this tire was produced in week 20 of 2021. If the tire is more than a year old, indicates that it is a stock tire. Risk of aging. Second, look at the 3T index. The first indicates the wear resistance of the tire. Family cars must choose more than 300. The second represents the grip and traction of the tire. We want to choose A level or above. The third represents the high temperature resistance of the tire. We must choose A level. Even if you are killed, don't choose B rank or below. Otherwise, there is a risk of a tire blowout at high speed. Third, how fast a car can run is not based on the stopwatch inside, but look at the letter on the tire. It is the speed rating of the tire. H means that this tire can only run 210 kilometers per hour at the fastest. If it exceeds, it will blow out. I made a table of the top speed corresponding to each letter and put it at the end of the video. Let's go back and check. See how fast your car can go. The fourth point is particularly important. Our tires are actually positive and negative. Outside means this side is facing out. Inside means this side faces inward. The old master who has repaired the car for 10 years is easy to install it wrong. If you don't believe me, I'll show you. So many cars in this parking lot must be loaded upside down. Come and see. He put the tire upside down. He put inside outside. Everyone must remember, if it is installed backwards, it will affect the grip of the tire. In rainy and snowy weather, there is a risk of side slip and rollover. The fifth is the spare tire. A lot of people think that putting the spare tire on is all good. You are wrong. Come and see. Our spare tire must not exceed 80 kilometers per hour under any circumstances. Otherwise, it is very easy to lose control of the vehicle while driving. How about today's content is not very professional? Follow me to learn some car knowledge every day.